morning. Welcome to another edition of Friday's Financial Fitness. Obviously, we've seen a lot of volatility in the markets, and all that we hear about in the news is the stock market correction. I want to spend some time this morning explaining what a correction actually is. Looking back historically at some of the historical references as it relates to corrections, the actual definition in the finance investment terms of a correction is a reverse movement, usually downward and exceeding 10% of the price of an individual stock, bond, or commodity, or an index. If prices have been rising on the market as a whole, then falling dramatically, this is known as a correction with an upward trend. According to Bloomberg, over the last 40 years, since 1975, we've seen a total of 17 corrections. However, since 2005, we've only seen 5 corrections, with the market dropping over 10%. Out of those 5, 2 of them occurred last year in 2015. So in other words, in the last 10 years, if we don't include 2015, we've only had 3 corrections. Certainly, we've been in a prolonged bull market, and interestingly enough, the worst we've seen in the 40-year period in terms of a correction was from October of 2007 until March of 2009, when the market dropped 57%. Since then, not only has the market recovered to the levels prior to the correction in October of 2007, but we have far exceeded them. I think the moral of the story is that ultimately corrections are part of being invested in the overall stock market. And if we're going to see these corrections periodically as part of owning these companies, again, don't let the media sway your investment decision, as they're simply selling news, and that can create some emotions as well as some heartache.